The first thing we're going to do in modifying this function is to look at what the effect of x plus 1 is. This x plus 1 inside the parenthesis indicates a shift to the left of 1 unit. So if I take every point on this graph and shift it to the left 1 unit, we're going to have a point here. This point will move over 1 unit. This point will move over 1 unit. So we're going to get a graph which looks like this. And this is just a rough sketch. So that's going to be f of x plus 1. We are then going to look at the effect of the negative sign, and that's going to flip this graph down. When we flip it down, I'll label the important points. At -1, -2 is going to be one of the vertices. And at 1, 2 is going to be the other important point. So the new graph I'll draw dotted. It's going to look like this. I'm just flipping over the x-axis. Like that. So that's the dotted graph. Now the last step is to see what the effect of the -3 is. And that effect is going to take the dotted graph and drop it down 3 units. So this point becomes -1, -5. So at -1, -5, that's going to be that low spot on the graph. The intercept moves down to -3. This point is going to drop down to to 1, -1. So the new graph is going to look approximately like that. So this is going to be the final graph. Again, the 3 stages. This gives us a left shift 1 unit. This sign flips the graph upside down. This -3 is a vertical drop of 3 units. We can label these points. -1, -5, and this point is 1, -1. Those are the sharp points.